Hello, this is the third guided math practice with Mrs. McElveen. We have another problem to solve today. We'll start by reading it. Gwen is planning a party at her favorite restaurant. There is a $25 setup fee plus $5 per person food charge. How much will it cost if 10 people attend the party and she has a coupon for $15 off the total cost? I'll read it a second time to help with my thinking. Gwen is planning a party at her favorite restaurant. There's a $25 setup fee plus $5 per person food charge. How much will it cost if 10 people attend the party and she has a coupon for $15 off the total cost? I'm going to organize my thinking with an X. I see there is a $25 setup fee and a $5 per person food charge. Per is really important. Per means each. So each person, there's another charge for them, $5 for every person that comes to her party to charge for the food at this restaurant. And then 10 people are coming, and she has a coupon for $15 off. Love coupons. So on important words, as we said, per is going to mean each person. If you have your list going in your math notebook with strategies that help efficient solving, add per and talk about that it means each or even for one. And it says, how much will it cost? For 10 people. And then she gets to use a coupon for $15 off the total. That's an important word too. Total is a synonym for altogether, or in all, which usually means I'm putting things together. If you need to, pause so you can catch up with copying down the example. Now this is a good story because I have been to parties at restaurants before. I know what this is like, and I know that they can end up being kind of expensive. So Gwen's party at the restaurant, I'm going to draw a table. There's a $25 setup fee. So she has to pay $25 just to set up. So maybe that means to bring in balloons or whatever she wants for the party. And then $5 per person food charge. She's got 10 people coming, so she has 10 friends or family members, whoever is coming to this party. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And each person, there's a $5 fee for them for the food. So, because it's per person, each person, she's going to need to pay $5 more. I'm just going to put 5s from now on. Now, Gwen is pretty smart. She has a coupon for $15 off the total cost. Coupon saves you money. That means she's going to get to take away this much from her total bill. And that total cost is going to be how much she has to pay for everything. So she has the $25 for the setup fee. That's just one cost. And she also has 10 people. She has to pay $5 for each of those. So 10 people times $5. Those are pretty friendly numbers. I'm not going to estimate this part because I know 10 times 5 is 50, and this was dollars. So this was $50 for all of the people. She still has the setup fee. This is how much that food charges. So $25 plus $50. These are also pretty friendly numbers. Makes me think of quarters, like 25 cents and then 50 cents. There's my quarter if I was estimating this way. Here's another quarter and another quarter. 25, 50, 75. 25 plus 50 is $75. So she has to pay $75 for the party. But she has a coupon for $15 off the total. I forgot to put that in my picture. She's got a coupon. This is the restaurant. That's worth $15 off. That means I'm taking it out of how much she had to pay. So $75, if I'm taking something out, I'm subtracting it. $75 minus $15. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 60. $60. I have suggested answers over here. I see $60 right here. And because I thought everything through, I feel very confident in my answer. I have my $25 setup fee. I have 10 people. I had to pay $5 for each of those people, so 10 times 5 is 50. 25 plus 50 is 75. I took off $15 to get $60. I wonder if someone just added all the numbers together to get those two answers. And I'm wondering if there's a calculation error to get that answer. Make sure you have everything copied down as your example for the week. When you work with your partner tomorrow, I want to point out that there's a chart that's part of this problem. This chart is part of the story. You and your partner need to understand what the chart is telling you in order to understand the whole problem. These problems are going to have more than one step. So working to really understand the story is going to be the most important thing you can do.